Hey, I recently heard about something called the equivocation fallacy. Do you know anything about it?
Yeah, I do. The equivocation fallacy is when someone uses an ambiguous phrase or word to convey two completely different meanings. And usually the meaning of the word changes in ways that muddle the argument.
So like, if someone uses cheap to mean both not expensive but also poor quality?
Yes, another example would be if someone at a hospital said they wanted to hire another doctor, but then interviewed a bunch of people with their doctorate degrees in communication studies. In that example, doctor is the term with multiple meanings, because there are medical degrees and other doctoral degrees.
Yeah, I would be pretty confused if I ever asked for a doctor, but then someone with a PhD in history tried to help me instead.
Exactly, historians create valuable knowledge, but that knowledge is not well suited for a medical emergency. Anyway, how would you address an equivocation fallacy?
It would seem to me that we should make sure that we are careful to define key terms. When we hear someone using a term multiple ways, we could ask them what they mean by the term. We can even point out that the term has multiple meanings. For example, I could clarify if someone is thinking of cheap as meaning poor quality, or as meaning inexpensive.
I think those tips will work wonderfully. Let's try to make sure we are being clear and consistent to avoid the equivocation fallacy.